Hi, I'm Romney Tripp from RWT Design and Construction. I'm here today to talk to you about home recording studios. Okay, let's say you just bought your new house and you've decided that now I want to turn this room or maybe a garage or maybe a basement into a little recording studio. I'm happy to help you with that. We've been doing recording studios for over 30 years and I kind of know the ins and outs of what to expect. I'm a musician myself, so I have a lot of affinity for creating music and studios. One thing you need to consider is the permit process and what it will take to get your home recording studio permitted. If you're using it as a professional studio, I can tell you right now, unless it's zoned for recording studios, which I haven't run into any residential areas that are, we're going to have trouble with getting a permit. If it's a studio that you just want to set up in your garage, we do a lot of those. We can help you out, but beware that, again, if you're taking up space in the garage, it's something that we would not be able to get a permit for. Anyway, feel free to give us a call. I'd be happy to talk about your project. It's Romney from RWT Home Remodeling. Thank you.